In this video, I'll show you how to create a Call Now campaign in Meta Ads step by step. A Call Now campaign is ideal for local businesses, service providers, clinics, real estate agents, or any business that wants customers to call directly from Facebook or Instagram. First, log in to Meta Ads Manager. Click the green Create button to start a new campaign. Select the Leads objective. This objective allows Meta to optimize your ads for people who are most likely to take action, such as calling your business. Click Continue. Give your campaign a clear and recognizable name. Set your campaign budget. Keep the budget at the campaign level. Click Next to go to the ad set level. Rename the ad set so it's easy to identify. Under Conversion Location, select Calls. This tells Meta that your main goal is to generate phone calls. For Performance Goal, keep Maximize Number of Calls selected. This is the only available option for call campaigns. Select the correct Facebook page. Set a campaign end date if you don't want the ad to run continuously. Under Audience, select your location. Call ads work best when targeting specific cities or service areas. Uncheck the option Reach More People Likely to Respond to Your Ads. Now click Show Suggestions for Age and Gender. Add your targeted age and gender. You'll notice the audience size is already under 1 million, which is ideal for call campaigns. For better results, I recommend keeping Advantage Plus audience on and not further limiting the reach. Meta's optimization works very well for call-based campaigns. Keep Advantage Plus placements turned on. This allows Meta to show your ad in the placements where calls are most likely to happen. Click Next to go to the ad level. Your Facebook page will already be selected. Under Ad Setup, choose Create Ad. You can also select an existing post from your page if you prefer. Choose your ad format. For this tutorial, I'm using a single image. Under Call Settings, add your phone number if it's not automatically selected. Upload your image or video. If available, add both vertical and horizontal sizes. If not, you can keep the original image size. Next, add primary text and headline. Make sure your message clearly encourages users to call now. A website pixel is not mandatory for a Call Now campaign, since the action happens directly on the ad. Review all campaign, ad set, and ad level settings. If everything looks good, click Publish. That's how you create a Call Now campaign in Meta Ads to drive direct phone calls in real conversations. Subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more Meta Ads, Google Ads, and digital marketing tutorials.